all kinds of things have been found by those looking for something else. And Hermetic philosophy has therefore indirectly contributed a great deal, practically all, of the basic knowledge of chemistry that we possess, and hundreds of byproducts arising in early chemical research. However, the alchemist was more than this. He was searching for the one thing which must ultimately come, and he was, like most of us, sometimes sidetracked by his byproducts. He was never completely willing to stop trying, however, and even though some of his byproducts made him richer than the gold he might have fashioned, he still was searching for this other thing. He was searching for the master key to the total transformation of matter. He was convinced that what we call matter is in reality spirit in disguise. He knew from his own experiences that everything that is not spiritual is a kind of spirit, limited, blocked, or impeded in some way. Therefore, every error is some kind of a truth that we have not yet mastered. Every delusion is a fact out of focus. Every failure tells us something about a success that lies within nearer grasp because of the reverse we have passed through. Thus man, with all his humanity, and it is a broad statement covering a wide variety of attributes, man in his total humanity is God itself, with its divinity locked within this strange casement of base metals, and the effort to find the science for the release of this divine factor, the science for the release of reality, of fact, of the total Hermetic mystery, was his challenge, and it has always been his challenge. The wisdom is man achieving a subtle, sensitive, spiritual rapport with nature, in which man can cause nature to open her wonders, reveal them without fear to the being who is without fault. This is almost exactly the wording of Valentinus. And it is the idea, the concept of man persuading, man inducing the universe to give up its secret. And this secret to be won only by man's love and not by man's strength. Won by the wisdom principle, by the principle of obedience, the acceptance of the challenge and the acceptance of the responsibility, both together. So in the Hermetic philosophy, we have this pattern outlined, gradually unfolding through the Hermetic books, which conceal it under allegory and legend. But what the Hermetic philosopher was seeking for was this wonderful, mysterious powder of transmutation, the red lion, the mysterious power which changes all things instantly. And that mysterious power was, to his way of operating, some way locked up in the mystery of universal or divine mind. That this mind had some way within it the power of the spontaneous release of itself. That mind, as the bridge between nature and God, can be crossed. And that this mind can, in some mysterious way, open a blazing core of facts by means of which the individual becomes master of the world.
I was doing time in the universal mind. I was feeling fine. I was turning keys, I was setting people free. I was doing all right. Then you came along with a suitcase and a song.